Need to snag your Binance wallet address to receive some crypto? Let's make it happen. Quick and easy. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Binance app icon to open it. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a wallet icon. It usually looks like a wallet or a money bag. Tap on it. Now you're in your wallet overview. Locate and tap on the deposit button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Here, you'll be asked what cryptocurrency you want to receive. You can either scroll through the list or, for a faster route, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Let's say you're receiving Bitcoin. Type BTC into the search bar and select Bitcoin from the results. Now you'll see options for choosing the network. This is super important. Make sure the network you choose matches the network the sender is using. For Bitcoin, choose Bitcoin or BTC. Selecting the wrong network can result in lost funds. Finally, there it is. Your Bitcoin wallet address will now be displayed on the screen, along with the QR code. You can either copy the address by tapping the copy icon next to it, or have the sender scan the QR code. And that's it. You now have your Binance wallet address. Happy trading.